Do you want to see an example of the how you would put it in an async loop to sort of for a task that? So if you figure out which part is the slow one, then basically in Gamma you get this async loop and async task. There's also other ways to do asynchronous stuff with reactive extension, but this is sort of the simplest way to do it. And async loop, as the name implies, is for something that you need to do continuously, and it just runs as fast as it can, just computing those values. And async task is for something that you need like to just do once and get that, which is, I think, your case. And let's just expose all these. You get a trigger. Basically, you can bang it when you want the calculation to take place, and then you get sort of like your in progress. It's true if it's in progress, and false otherwise. Let's sleep, for instance. This is just a thing that keeps a thread busy for a given amount of time. So I can just simulate some operation, and this is the result of the operation, which would be, let's say, just true. And the result is not a standard value, but it's an observable, which is some values in time that you can listen to. And for those to sort of get it, to read it out and get it back, there maybe I will link to the gradebook page after this, but just let's use a simple one. This whole latest sort of just keeps the latest value that they got from that, and just holds it until another value comes. So until the computation starts again, computes a new value and gives it up. And so now there's false, and if everything works as it should, then okay, yeah. So we have now in progress, and after it finished, it gave us the result of true. So and this, since it's generic, this output can be anything. So if you have a spread of strings, or you have some your own record, some object, you can just pass it through there, and that's what you will get from this. So you would probably use the whole latest, and another sort of quite useful one is sampler, which gives a spread of the values that it saw during the frame. For this, it would be just sort of, if I start it, it will just flash like the result for one frame. But you could have, for instance, the async loop that's running really fast, and you can even get more results in a frame, because it's not tied to the main loop. You may have something that just calculates some values really quickly. Let's say I put just a random number. I need to specify the type of the number, and yeah, so I'm getting around 20 to 30,000 of random numbers per frame.
Very
So
cool.
For other use cases, this can be helpful, but for like slow operation, it's this async task plus hold latest, and you can just do your stuff here. And the in progress, you can just show into the UI like a a loading animation or something depending on this.
Very cool. Thank you, Dominic. I appreciate it.